Hi everybody, happy Thanksgiving. Well, at least today, well, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I hope everybody has their turkey out of the fridge and it's all defrosted and ready to go. This is just a real quick tip on how to make sure your turkey is juicy and ready to go and be put in the oven and everything else. Now this is just a real quick tip on to where you're not even going to need gravy for your turkey. No gravy is going to be needed because it's going to be so juicy, it's going to melt in your mouth and it's going to be perfect, okay? And what I do is for 12 hours before I put it in the oven, I make something called a brine. I don't know if anybody's ever heard of this. B-R-I-N-E. You can look it up on Pinterest if you want. Brines are just water, really, with salt and any kind of spice that you want to use. If you want to use garlic powder, onion powder, whatever. With my brine this year, because I change it up every year, my brine this year is salt. You got to use a lot of salt because that's what tenderizes your meat. Okay, I use poultry seasoning and I use something called Greek seasoning that I found at the grocery store. Brine your turkey for 12 hours. First 6 hours, breast down. Okay, my turkey's been in the brine breast down for 6 hours. I just now flipped it. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, that's the poultry seasoning and the Greek seasoning. Can you see it? That's all seasoning. Okay, now I have it down now. It's going to sit in here like this for another 6 hours. Okay, now I'm going to wipe my hands off. Then what I'm going to do is about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to empty this out once it's done brining. I'm going to put it in the oven with just a little bit of water and some butter. They're in the oven on 170 degrees because I slow cook them. And I just let it cook because my oven, what it does is it'll shut off after 12 hours. Now this is a 20-pounder because I got 13 people coming tomorrow. And then what I do is after it shuts off automatically, I turn it back on at like 350 degrees. And I put more butter just on top. And I take the cover off because, you know, I do like the foil dome on it. And I let it brown for about 45 minutes, something like that. And you're going to have crispy skin, juicy meat, and perfection. So that's just my tip. It was just real quick. I got to get back to cleaning the house and preparing the house for everybody for tomorrow. And that's it. So, happy Turkey Day, and God bless. Everybody have a great day. Enjoy your families tomorrow. Enjoy your friends tomorrow. And have a great one. Bye-bye.